Welcome to the Calm Achiever channel. Ever wondered how AI can chat, create art, or answer questions like a human? Let's understand how AI works in just 2 minutes. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It's a technology that helps computers learn, think, and make decisions using data. Just like humans learn from experience, AI learns from huge amounts of information called data. If you show AI thousands of cat photos, it starts recognizing patterns like ears, eyes, whiskers, and fur. Over time, AI becomes better at identifying cats on its own. This process is called pattern recognition. This type of learning is known as machine learning, where AI improves by studying more and more examples. That's why modern AI tools can chat with people, generate images, translate languages, and even write essays.
Does AI think like humans?
Not exactly. AI doesn't truly think or feel emotions. It predicts the most likely answer based on patterns it learned. So in simple words, AI learns from data, recognizes patterns, and makes smart predictions. And this technology is only getting smarter every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more simple tech videos.